Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how to make tortilla chips in the air fryer. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. Now back to these tortilla chips. The beauty here is what you can do is you can just use any wraps you want, cut them up, make them into tortilla chip shapes and air fry them. And what we have here is we were making some chicken tortilla soup, so we bought some in especially for that, and then we can cook them in the air fryer and then serve them with the soup. And what we're using now is Weight Watchers white tortillas. They're the perfect size for it, but you can mix and match with whatever you want to use. And talking about mixing and matching, let's talk about the seasonings. You see, you can do any flavour. Just like crisps, you can do any flavour you want. So I've got a massive collection of herbs. These are just some I've got with me. I've got plenty more at home. And these are just some of the things you could do. For example, you could do a sweet paprika flavour. You could do basil, parsley or thyme, mixed herbs, chives. Or the ones we're going to show you how to do today is my favourite, and that is Cajun. So to do Cajun, you just need some Cajun seasoning and some salt and pepper. And then of course you need some scissors to cut them up with, pastry brush, and of course some extra virgin olive oil. And it's just really simple. So let's get started and I can show you how it's done. So to start with, what you want to do is you want to load some extra virgin olive oil into a bowl. And then add to it your seasonings. So like I mentioned, we're going Cajun. You can do whatever you want. You can do Thai flavour, just do salt and vinegar. It's totally your choice. And then once you've done that, with your oil mix, because I'm using Cajun, it's got a lovely colour to it. I mean, look at that, isn't that beautiful? And then once you've done that, grab your first tortilla that you want to do. I've chosen a right scruffy one here, but it doesn't matter because it'll do the trick. And then just start pushing it. Until it's well coated. If you notice, the amount I've used is enough to do one tortilla, so you can add a lot more oil to it if you were doing more than that. So I'm just using this as an example. So now you've absolutely brushed it with what you're adding, then you can slice it up with some scissors. Scissors work much better than using a knife, especially because of how wet it is from the seasoning you've put on. So what you do is you put them into quarters. And then you go again to put them into eighths. I love this most for when you've got some spare tortillas and you need a use for them. So there. We've done these ones. I'm going to put these to one side and I'm going to do another batch. So again, extra virgin olive oil, seasoning, Cajun, you can tell from that it needs more Cajun because it hasn't changed colour enough. And then same again. So your pastry brush, then put that one to one side, and then we can do the third one. Use that spoon. Quicker way is just to pour a bit on and then brush it across. And there you have it. They're brushed, ready to go. So now we just need to cut up the last two. Again, remember, across the middle, into quarters. And then into halves. And then same again for the last one. And there you have it. So just check that out. Doesn't that look absolutely fantastic? So now, to move our mess out of the way and get them loaded up into the air fryer basket. So, and then pop them in and aiming for 5 minutes at 180 Celsius. That's 360 Fahrenheit. And we've beeped. And wow, these are looking fabulous already. Now work those arm muscles and give them a good shake. You can also do this exact same thing as well with pita breads, naan breads. There's just so much choice with this. And you can see some crispy bits already happening, like those bits there and those bits there, which is great. So, and there's always one that doesn't like it and gets kind of rolled up. So, let's put them back on. And I haven't got as many of them as what I did when I last did them on the blog, so I'm going to take it down to another 4 minutes and then they should be done. We've beeped. And wow. That is what you call golden tortilla chips in the air fryer. I mean, just look at how good they look. I'm not touching them yet, they're way too hot, so I'm just going to let them cool down a couple of minutes and then I'll give you a closer look. Now they're finally cool enough to touch, so I can show you them close up. Oh, wow, don't they look fantastic? And the crisp on them is amazing. And the taste really, really good. Yeah, another idea, that's another great one, is think of your favourite flavour of Doritos and then do that flavour to some. I bet that would be absolutely delicious. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.